talk about walking with Jesus, and sometimes we talk about it like it's just as easy as that. Some of us are carrying some stuff in our lives. He doesn't want you to walk with him and just keep carrying all this stuff.
If you know God, you can recognize his voice. You can move away from him, but he'll stay right there, waiting for you to come back, like the prodigal son. It's never too late to go back to God. And when the world seems against you, you can always go to one person.
This is my prayer for you, is that you would all leave this camp different than when you came in. Lighter, freer, closer to God. And in doing that, that he would help you to see what he sees in you.